Hi, Sphere. I am reaching out to help you generate more leads, sales, and website traffic. As I reviewed your website, I noticed a few simple improvements that could make a big difference. I spent some time reviewing your website, especially since you are getting traffic from Google Ads, and I want to share a few ideas on how we can turn more visitors into actual customers reaching out to you. And right now, your phone number is on the site. It's here, which is great, but it's not always easy for visitors to spot right away. Sometimes it's tucked away, for only in a certain pages. For someone who's ready to call, especially in an emergency, they should have, you know, to hunt for your number. What I'd recommend is adding a sticky header or footer that keeps your phone number and email visible no matter where someone is on the site. Plus, making those clickable on the mobile means people can just tap and call or email instantly. I also noticed where isn't the chat feature. There isn't a chat feature. Adding a chat widget can really boost engagement because it gives visitors a quick, low-pressure way to ask questions or get help without having to pick up the phone or fill out a form. It's like having a friendly assistant ready 24/7. Speaking of forms, the contact, let me check that. You have a form here? Let me check that. Oh, you didn't have it. Oh, you didn't have a form. Form actually is the usual thing, but asking a bit too much info up front is maybe it's more uh, we have it really simpler. We make the form we make that form just as essentials like name, phone, or email, a quick message. The more people will use, the more people will actually fill it out. Think of it like a checkout line in a store. The faster, the easier it is, the more customers complete the purchase. So yeah, number one, number two is the contact form. Also, adding some testimonials or certifications near your contact info can really help build trust. When people see that others have had great experiences with you, they're more comfortable reaching out. Mm. And of course, we want to make sure the site loads quickly and works perfectly on phones and tablets because most people browse the way these days. If the site is slow or clunky, people just leave. So it's up to, you know, to sum it up, let's make your phone number and email pop and keep them visible all the time. And the chat widget can catch visitors who want quick answers. Simplify your contact form to reduce friction and some trust signals near your contact points and optimize your mobile and speed. If we tackle those, you'll see more calls, emails, and chats coming in. And that means more leads and sales. What do you think? Should we start prioritizing these changes to get the most out of your website traffic? So yeah, I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Juvie and I work with Optimized Media Marketing here in Eugene. We specialize in helping local businesses fix their online marketing and turn their websites into lead generating machines. I hope you found these tips helpful and we offer a free strategy call to help you implement these changes to help increase your sales and revenue. If you want to book a call, just reply, I'm interested, and we'll book a time on the calendar to call back. Talk to you soon. Thank you.